Welcome back to Daily Drives, the channel where futuristic machines, next-gen vehicles, and unbelievable engineering innovations come alive every single day. If you're new here, make sure to join our community because today, we're taking you deep into the world of heavy machinery with something truly massive, powerful, and game-changing, the Mining Dump Truck 2026. This isn't just a bigger truck. It's a redesign of how modern mining works. For decades, mining trucks have been known for their huge size, raw horsepower, and ability to move mountains of earth. But the 2026 mining dump truck takes all of that to a whole new level with advanced engineering, smart driving technology, and performance that feels almost unreal. This machine is built for the future of mining, where efficiency, automation, and sustainability all come together in one giant machine. The first thing that stands out is its futuristic design. The 2026 model features a reinforced high-strength steel frame combined with lightweight composite panels. This reduces unnecessary weight while increasing durability, helping the truck carry heavier loads with greater stability. The wheels are enormous, built to handle extreme temperatures, rough terrains, and high impacts that normal vehicles could never survive. Even the suspension system is redesigned for rough environments, allowing the truck to absorb huge shocks while keeping the cabin safe and stable. But what's truly impressive is the power system. Instead of relying entirely on old diesel engines, the new mining dump truck uses a hybrid diesel-electric powertrain. This upgraded system boosts torque, increases hauling power, and significantly reduces fuel consumption. The electric motors kick in when maximum force is needed, especially during uphill climbs or when starting with a full load. This combination not only saves fuel but also extends the lifespan of mechanical components, making mining operations cheaper and smoother. The next level technology doesn't stop there. One of the most revolutionary features of the 2026 mining dump truck is its semi-autonomous driving system. With radar sensors, LiDAR GPS mapping, and advanced AI control, this truck can drive itself along designated paths in the mine with incredible accuracy. It can detect obstacles, adjust speed automatically, and maintain safe distances between other machines. In areas where mining is dangerous for workers, automation helps reduce risk and increase productivity. In fact, many sites are already planning to use fleets of these trucks operating in synchronized patterns, controlled from a central command center inside the cabin. Everything is redesigned for comfort and safety. The driver's seat is fully adjustable with shock-absorbing support, perfect for long shifts. The glass cockpit display provides real-time information, load weight, fuel efficiency, tire pressure, terrain changes, and maintenance alerts. There's even an emergency override system that allows the truck to automatically stop if any sign of danger is detected. This is the kind of technology that makes mining safer, smarter, and more efficient than ever before. Now let's talk about the hauling power, the part everyone loves most. The 2026 mining dump truck can carry massive loads, reaching capacities that older models couldn't even come close to. Its upgraded dump bed is engineered with temperature-resistant alloy, preventing material from sticking during unloading. The hydraulic lift is more powerful and smoother, allowing the truck to dump huge loads quickly, saving valuable time during operations. Every second counts in mining, and this design is built exactly for high-efficiency industrial work. One of the biggest challenges in mining is maintaining efficiency while reducing environmental impact. The 2026 model tackles this head-on. Its hybrid system reduces emissions, while smart fuel management ensures every drop of diesel is used with maximum efficiency. Some mining companies are even working toward fully electric versions in the near future, and this truck is the foundation for that future. With modular battery capabilities planned, the next upgrade could be a completely zero-emission mining fleet. Another interesting innovation is the maintenance-friendly design. Mining trucks traditionally require a lot of time off-road for repairs and servicing. But this 2026 version uses predictive maintenance sensors that constantly monitor the health of the engine, hydraulics, and electronic systems. If anything starts wearing out or performing unusually, the system warns the operators before a failure happens. This reduces downtime and saves companies millions in unexpected repairs. From the outside, it's a beast. From the inside, it's a smart machine. And on the field, it's a revolution. The Mining Dump Truck 2026 represents the future of heavy-duty engineering in mining industries worldwide. Whether it's transporting or stone, sand, coal, or other heavy materials, this machine is built to dominate every challenge thrown at it. So if you love massive machines, futuristic engineering, and the next generation of industrial technology, then the Mining Dump Truck 2026 is definitely one of the most exciting releases of the year. And here on Daily Drives, we'll continue bringing you amazing innovations just like this one. Thanks for watching Daily Drives. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Mining Dump Truck 2026, make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video. Stay tuned because tomorrow we're bringing another mind-blowing machine from the future. Until then, keep exploring and keep driving into the future with us.